This is the very first Money Market Fund weekly review show for the year 2025. The week everyone yet to open a Money Market Fund account should actually do so very fast. And those who started from last year, I believe you have a story to tell this fast. So how are the investments faring on? Let's find out, and being the first review of the month, of course, I will give you an update on the inflation rate, then tell you if there are any open bonds, how the Treasury bills performed this week, the results of the fixed income funds, money market funds in Kenya shillings and the United States dollar alike. And if you want to track your investment performance all through this year while learning more about the money, make sure you follow and subscribe, and don't forget to like and share some feedback in the comment section. So to start with, the inflation rate went up by 0.2 points to settle at 3% from 2.8% the previous month. And you know what that means, that if your interest rate or return is 10%, then your money grew by 7%, and that is the interest rate take away the inflation rate, which is the money that lost value. And this is why you need to open a money market account very fast, because when you save in a bottle or a bank account or a box, you are losing value. So when we ask you what was your interest rate, you will tell us -3% for every coin that was not invested. By there, I hope unarada how we are getting to that -3%, right? Okay, coming to this side of the Treasury bills, or the T-bills as they are commonly known, things are still holding up. No further drops compared to the last week's results. As you can see, the 364-day option had 11.37%, the 6-month ikakuwa na 10%, slightly above 10%, that is 10.02%, but the 91-day option ikakuwa na 9.82%. And for the Treasury bond side, we have two which are currently open for bidding all through till 15th of January, and I'll tell you more about it shortly. But first, we look at the fixed income funds. And as you can see, 4 companies are in the green, meaning that they had a slight increase from their last week's results. One is in gray, meaning they maintained their results, while 4 had a decline, shown in red. Etica is leading with 15.20%, and the only company that is above 15%. Zimele had a massive drop from 15.16 to 13.94, and they dropped from position 3 to 6. Orient closed at 10.39%. So let's see next week how it will be looking like. And coming to the dollar side of the money market fund, we saw a major red. 8 out of 11 companies are in red, showing that they had a decline. Only 2 had green, even though the increase is very kidogo. Positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5 maintain their positions, and 9, 10, and 11 as well maintain their spots as last report. Good thing is that 9 out of all these companies are registered above 5%, which is still good or above average. And another thing, kwa dollar, we said if you earn in dollars and spend in dollars, then this could be an option that you can consider. But if you have Kenya shillings and you want to forex, then invest, and when you withdraw your forex, then you use it in the Kenya shillings, hiyo tuliwacha last year, because it will most likely lose you money. And now taking a look at the place where the majority have their money invested, and that is the Kenya shilling money market fund category. It continued to stiffen competition among the different players, with the average dropping again from 13.89% to 13.59%. This week, only 4 companies had a slight increase, as shown in green. And this is the first time I think we've had so many companies maintaining their last week's results, as you can see from the 6 grays that are on the chart today. So if you have done your quick math, it means that 20 companies are in the red, though the drop is quite minimal. If you didn't watch the video I did on how you can earn more interest rates in 2025, please go watch it for further insight amidst the falling interest rates. So for number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, they maintained their positions as well, and none of them had an increase, meaning we will soon be bidding 16% a goodbye, as we did to the 17%. But either way, the returns are still above average, and keep the main thing. I'll share the report on PDF on the MoneyVersations WhatsApp group. So the link to join this, you can find it on the description below or on the bio, depending on where you're watching this video from. Lastly, the two reopened Treasury bonds are the 25-year and the 15-year fixed coupon bonds offering 14.18 and 12.65% respectively. You have until 15th if you are interested in bidding. So hope to see you again in the next review. Please find useful links on the description below or on the bio, and don't forget to open an account now. For the first few who will open through the link below, ukinishtua WhatsApp, naweza kukujenga ya cabbage straight to your money market fund account to motivate you to start the journey on a high note. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy New Year.